Yeah. Yeah. Very hard-working.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tree planters. They were tree planters.
So they know what hard work is.
Yeah, for 9 years they tree planted.
9 years.
In order to buy that piece of land.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I'd rather just have to use
Yeah, me too. That's amazing.
What else? Anybody else? Can't really think of too much more.
What sort of wildlife do you have?
Just about everything. Yeah. Lots of bears.
Yeah? You have cougars out here?
Pardon me?
Cougars?
Yeah, cougars. This year there are cougars. Yeah. We haven't seen them, but they've been around. Yeah, I guess the feed hasn't been too good for them, so they've moved low. Wolves.
How is it with your livestock? Is it okay?
It's been okay. That around that, see where they call that the camel's hump, the big one and the little one. And to the left is the Ryan Creek Valley. And when that was being logged, the grizzlies moved out. They didn't like the people in action, and they moved into the valley. And they caused a few problems with the cattle. But now I think it's been logged out, it's regrowing, and the grizzlies have left, and you don't see grizzlies in here very often anymore. Other than that, wolves, a bit of kill from wolves, but nothing too much.
What's your typical growing season? When can you get in?
Well, we get in a little later than we'd like because we have all the snow melted and we've got sort of up and down land, so we have big pockets of water left. So some years, the third week of April, this year more like the third week of May. It was slow.
So that was for everybody.
Yeah, we were late this year to get going.
But you still managed to get a
Yeah, we worked out the soil. You see all these hard lumps where we've been digging?
Yeah.
That's from working the soil in the spring when it's really wet. Yeah. It's better to leave it until it's nice and loose and dry. And that's one reason I'm doing fall rye. Once fall rye is grown in a field, when you work fall rye into a field, it's beautiful, beautiful till. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Very cool.
And what about irrigation? Did you say?
Yeah, we just put that system in, and we've got 4-inch lines, main lines, and we've got hydrants like that one over there. Got 8 of them spread around this side of the road.